Good morning everyone. Myself Pragati Kapoor from Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. So children, welcome to the another session of EVS class. Students, in the last lecture I have explained you about the internal organs, that is brain and heart. Now today we are going to discuss about our next internal organ, that is lungs, stomach and teeth. As you know, already we have sent the PDF file of chapter 2, so you can refer the page number 16 and 17 of EVS LR for today's lecture. We know that we breathe through our nose, but there is an important organ inside our body which help us to breathe. Do you know the name of that organ? Yes, that is our lungs. Breathing is necessary for keeping us alive. Our lungs are one of the largest organs in our body and they work with our respiratory system to take fresh air in and get rid of our stale air. Let's take a tour of the lungs. The lungs are a pair of spongy air-filled organs located on either side of the chest. Lungs are exchange of gases and the process is called respiration. We have to breathe all the time in order to supply our body with oxygen and get rid of carbon dioxide. We use our lungs to do this. Air from our mouth and nose enter the windpipe which go down the throat into the chest, then splits into two passages, one in each lung. Oxygen helps our cells get their energy from food. You would die within minutes if you stop breathing. Trees helps to clean the air by filtering air pollution. They also make oxygen which they releases through the leaves. Breathing heavily gives your body extra oxygen so it can work harder. People can spend a few moments underwater without breathing. Most people can manage about a minute, but do you know the world record is about 17 minutes? Have you noticed that when you run or do some work, you breathe little faster than the normal breathing, which helps in intake of more oxygen, which is good for your lungs. Because exercise is good for your every part of body, especially for your lungs and heart. Your lungs are full of tunnels ending in tiny air sacs called alveoli. Here, oxygen from the air passes into your blood and your blood carries oxygen around every part of your body. Do you know that we take about 23,000 breaths each day? So children, now we will study about our next internal organ, that is stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen. The stomach is attached to the end of the esophagus and stomach receives food from it. Stomach is a stretchy sac shaped like a letter J. It has three important jobs. Number 1, to store the food that you are eating. Number 2, to break down the food into a liquidy mixture. Number 3, to slowly empty that liquidy mixture into the small intestine. The stomach is just like a mixture, churning and mashing together all the small balls of food that comes down from the esophagus into smaller and more smaller pieces. It does this with the help of the strong muscles in the walls of stomach and gastric juices that also comes from the stomach walls. In addition to breaking down food, gastric juices also help to kill bacteria that might be present in the food. Our stomach has a very stretchy walls, so it can expand it to hold big meals. Now, before study about the next organ, I would like to ask you, how do you eat food? Definitely your answer will be teeth. Now, let us study about the teeth. A tooth is a hard calcified structure found in the jaws of human beings. The roots of teeth are covered by gums. We have two jaws, upper jaw and lower jaw, and we have a beautiful smile because of our teeth. So now have a look how our teeth work. As you all know, your teeth help you to chew your food while eating, assist you while talking, and makes you look better when you flash a smile for selfies. But there is a lot about the essential tool we call it teeth. You probably don't know, so first let us know about the types and parts of teeth. Although you are born with 20 baby teeth, they are not visible until they start to come through the gums when you are about 6 to 12 months old. And by the time you are 2 to 3 years of age, all the teeth will usually appear. This process called teething, and the new set of teeth are called primary teeth or baby teeth or milk teeth. And as you get older, around 2, 5 or 6 years of age, these primary teeth begin to fall one after the other. This happens because it is being pushed out of the way by the permanent teeth that is behind it and gradually replaces the primary teeth. By the time you are around 12 or 13 years, most of you have lost all your baby teeth and have a full set of permanent teeth. But it's not over yet. Between the age of 17 and 25, most of you will have 4 teeth called wisdom teeth that grow at the back of the mouth to complete the adult set. These 32 set of teeth are divided into 4 parts. Number 1, 8 incisors. Number 2, 4 canines. Number 3, 8 premolars. Number 4, 12 molars, including 4 wisdom teeth. So children, I think you have understood the importance of teeth. So start taking care of teeth. But how? I will tell you. Number 1, with regular brushing twice a day in the morning and night. Number 2, use fluoride toothpaste. Number 3, rinse your mouth regularly. Limited sugary foods. Number 5, protect your teeth from injury. So take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you. Stay home and save lives.